Louse-borne fever, Borrelia recurrentis, is most commonly associated and causative agent of louse-borne relapsing fever, LBRF, disease, though the disease is also caused by certain other pathogenic bacteria like Bartonella quintana and Rickettsia prauskia. We study occurrence, transmission, incubation period, diagnosis, symptoms, prevention, treatment. Occurrence. Louse-borne relapsing fever occurs in epidemic form in those areas of developing world which are characterized by poor living and hygienic conditions, famine and poverty. It is most common in Asia, Africa and Central and South America. It is currently prevalent in Ethiopia and Sudan. Mortality rate is 30–70% when remains untreated. LBRF is more prevalent in areas that have major lice problems such as Andean foothills, high lands of eastern Africa, southern Sudan. Transmission. Lice act as the biological vectors of bacteria of relapsing fever. The bacteria feed on the blood of infected humans. The bacteria multiply in the gut of louse. Human infection is indirect as the bacteria are injected in another person when infected louse feeds on its blood. Human infection also occurs when the person crushes the infected louse or scratches the area where the louse is feeding. Incubation period 3 to 11 days. Relapsing fever is characterized by recurring episodes of high fever, shaking chills, intense sweating, severe jaundice, severe change in mental status, muscle and joint pain, bleeding and prolonged QT interval on ECG. Complications and death due to relapsing fever are very rare. Disease relapses are due to antigenic variation by the spirochetes. Symptoms are less severe with each relapse. The duration of illness on average is of 18 days. Diagnosis. Relapsing fever can be diagnosed by microscopic observation of spirochetes in the blood smear, polymerase chain reaction (PCR) for DNA analysis. Research on vaccine development is going on, but is difficult to develop as the spirochete avoid the immune response of the infected organism. Prevention. Use of insect repellents containing 20 to 30% DEET on skin or permethrin on the clothes to prevent bite vectors. Wear light-colored clothes covering most of your skin while going to an area overgrown with grass and bushes. Remove any attached louse as soon as possible. Treatment. Use of antibiotics for 1 to 2 weeks provides improvement within 24 hours. Tetracycline class antibiotics are most effective but are known to induce anxiety, sweating, fever, tachycardia, and tachypnea. Doxycycline and erythromycin antibiotics are also effective.
Thank you.